In this video, you'll learn how to change the appearance settings on the OKX app. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your app's theme to suit your preferences. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet for optimal performance. Once the app is open, look for the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. This action will take you to a new screen that displays various options related to your profile and preferences. After that, locate and tap on the option labeled Preference. This section contains different settings that you can adjust according to your needs. Once you select Preference, the app will load the available settings. You will now see the Appearance option. Tap on Appearance to reveal the theme options. Here you can choose from 3 different modes: light mode, dark mode, or follow system. Each option provides a different visual experience based on your preference. If you prefer a brighter interface, select light mode. For a darker theme that is easier on the eyes in low light conditions, choose dark mode. Alternatively, if you want the app to adapt to your device's system settings, select follow system. This option will automatically switch between light and dark modes based on your device's current theme. Once you make your selection, the changes will take effect instantly. You will see the app's appearance update immediately to reflect your choice. There is no need to restart the app or perform any additional steps. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.